Once upon a time, in a small seaside town, there lived a couple, Emma and Ryan, who were deeply in love. They had been together since college and had built a life filled with laughter, adventure, and passion. One day, while exploring the town's old antique shop, Emma stumbled upon a mysterious, ancient looking mirror. Despite feeling an ear sensation, he couldn't resist buying it. As soon as they hung the mirror in their bedroom, strange things began to happen. They would find themselves in different places with no memory of how they got there. They would receive mysterious messages and objects would move on their own. Curious, they started investigating mirror's history. They discovered it once belonged to a famous refugee artist who had used it as a portal to other dimensions. Intrigued, Emma and Ryan started experimenting with the mirror. They would stare into its depths and suddenly find themselves transported to alternate realities. In one reality, they were a royal couple in a lavish kingdom. In another, they were astronauts exploring a new planet. Each journey, their love grew stronger as they adopted new and fantastical circumstances. But as they delved deeper into the mirror's histories, they realized they were not alone. Dark presence trapped within the mirror threatened to destroy their love and their reality. Emma and Ryan had to navigate the blurred lines between reality and fantasy to save their love and their world. As they delved deeper into the mirror's mysteries, Emma and Ryan discovered that it was more than just a simple portal to other dimensions. It was a key unlocking the secrets of your own path and the source of your unexplainable connection. One night, as they gazed into the mirror's depths, they found themselves transported to a realm that seemed to exist outside of time itself. Here, they encountered a figure who claimed to be the creator of the mirror, an ancient being with the power to manipulate reality. The being revealed that Emma and Ryan were not just random strangers, but were in fact who have the same soul. It appeared centuries ago. Mirror, it seemed, was a tool designed to reunite them and restore balance to the universe. As they journeyed through the realms, Ma and Ryan encountered strange creatures, alternate versions of themselves, and even echoes of their own memories. With each step, the bond grew stronger, and they began to realize the true extent of their connection. But they were not alone in their quest. Dark force, born from the shadows of the mirror, sought to claim the power of the ancient being for itself. Emma and Ryan found themselves facing their deepest fears as they battled to prevent the darkness from consuming everything. In the end, it was just the two of them, standing before the creator of the mirror, the fate of the universe hanging in the balance. They made a choice that would change everything. As they stood before the creator of the mirror, Emma and Ryan knew their journey was far from over. The ancient being revealed the only way restore balance to the universe was for them to merge their souls, becoming one being once more. But the darkness fueled by its own ambition, refused to let them succeed. It launched a final, a split attack, threatening to tear Emma and Ryan apart forever. In a heart-wrenching climax, Emma and Ryan fought to maintain their connection, even as the darkness sought to rip them asunder. They remembered every moment they had shared, every laugh, every tear, and every whispered promise. As the darkness closed, Emma and Ryan made a choice. They embraced each other, their love shining brighter than any darkness. And in that moment, they became one. Mirror, sensing their unity, shone with a radiant light. Ancient being nodded approval. The darkness was vanquished. Ma and Ryan, now a single being, stood before the Creator. They were given a new name, Hera, a new purpose to roam the reign, maintaining balance and harmony. As Athra, they traveled the multiverse, using their combined strength to protect the innocent and defend the cosmos. And though they faced countless challenges, their love remained unbreakable, beacon of hope in the darkest of times. As the ages passed, Hera began to feel a new sensation, longing to return to their mortal forms, experience once more the beauty of individuality, and so they made a bold request to the Creator. Would they be granted their wish, or would they remain Hera, a single being forever? Outcome was far from certain, as Emma and Ryan's journey took a dramatic new turn.